Welcome to the Harvesty channel. Today I'll show you how to enable a quick launch on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first open settings, just scroll down and press this button in the corner. In settings, scroll down until you find the advanced features menu. Click on side button, and here you can see this toggle here. If it's on, it means quick launch is on. If it's off, it means it's off. We're now set to quick launch camera. Let's see if it works. And it does. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Harvesty channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.